how to turn on proximity chat in Fortnite in 2024. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can turn on proximity chat in Fortnite Creative. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to your settings. Then once you're over here, you have to click on island settings. Then once you're over here, you have to scroll down to mode. So it should be the second option. You have overview right here, then you have to go to mode. Then once you're in mode, you have to scroll down. So you have game chat, spawning, elimination, scoring, void chat. So it should be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, the fifth option right here. Then once you're over here, you have to go down to proximity chat. You just have to turn this on. Then for the full volume distance, you have to put this all the way up. For the full volume distance, you have to put this all the way up so everybody from the whole map could hear you. So I think this goes up to 500. So let's just spam that real quick. Then for the second one, you're also going to have to put this all the way up to 500. So just spam that. Then once you're at 500, you should have proximity chat all throughout your map. So you could just start the game now. And that's how you got proximity chat in Fortnite. Just to let you guys know, I seen a lot of people commenting and telling me how you could turn on in general. Well, you can't because a new update just for the creative maps. So if this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.